Hey guys, this is Chris from Art Metal Fab, and today we're going to go over how to build a simple rocket stove for your summer cookouts and 4th of July barbecues. This is a fun little project for beginners up to experienced welders. Depending on how much time and effort you want to put into it and how much detail, it's a great project for beginners looking to learn how to weld or experts who just want to hone their craft.
I like to make these out of 4-inch square tube with 1/8 inch thick wall, and I start by cutting a 12-inch straight piece and a 5-inch angled piece at 30 degrees.
Nice.
On the straight piece, I'll cut out a section so that I can add the angled piece and weld it around. And on the back, I will cut out a small hole for the ashtray. I'll weld a 4-inch square plate to the bottom and use a 1-inch piece of square tube to rise off the angle iron pieces I cut for the inside. Once I weld these, I'll weld a piece of expanded metal across it so the ashes can fall through. Now for the fun part. I get to weld the rocket all the way around and clean off the welds so it's ready to add some legs. For the inlet flue, I'll use the piece of metal I cut out of the 12-inch straight piece of square tube and add a couple pieces of angle iron so I can space them apart inside and weld them to the side. I like to cut rocket fins out for the legs just because I think it looks cool, and you can add them to the rocket stove by using square magnets that are welded at 45 degrees. I weld them all the way down with the TIG welder on the front and back, and they're good to go. For the top, I made these detachable grill attachments, one for a stainless steel grill and one for the cast iron pan, and I'll use pieces of the 4-inch square tube that I cut off and some 1/8 inch flat bar to add so they can slide over the top of the rocket stove, and 1/8 inch plate, just cut it into triangles, and some angle iron, weld it all up, clean it up, make it look nice. For the ashtray, I'll use pieces of 3/4 inch angle iron and some square plate welded up on the inside, and add a handle to that. Once that's done, I can drill the holes for the back of the rocket stove and add a damper so you can have some airflow, and it looks pretty nice. The last thing is to add the door onto the front. I'll use a 4-inch piece of square plate and a weld-on hinge On the back, I'll add a handle for carrying, and if you like, you can powder coat it. I'll do it in black, and it's all finished up. Looks pretty good.
Thank you guys for watching, and happy 4th of July from the Edge Army.